All right, so I left y'all off with the thought that I was going to fly over the Superdome, and I did it. OMG, it was a little hair-raising, I don't mind telling you, because I had this crazy thing. First of all, it is beyond hot here in New Orleans right now. I'm here attending a religious convention of Jehovah's Witnesses in New Orleans, and oh my goodness, we're at the Smoothie King Center, and it is hot, hot, hot. And so all of a sudden, in my mind, right in the middle of flying over the Superdome, right as I reached the top pinnacle of the Superdome, this vision of crashing this $3,000, $4,000 worth of drone into the top of the Superdome runs through my head, and I panicked. And I thought, what would I do? I mean, can you imagine if something like that would actually happen right at that moment? What would you do? I guess you'd slam it into the Superdome. And I just backed off. I pulled the thing out and I dropped it to the ground real close to where I was. And okay, maybe I'll attempt it again later this week. But as of right now, I do have some footage flying over the Superdome that I'm piecing together, and I will post that on the Pro Forum later on in the week as this week goes by. So anyway, that's the message for the day. Don't panic when flying. So talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.